To find Google Pixel Watch free, first of all, you will have to open this Google Pixel Watch application on your phone, on your connected phone. Then you will have to go for System and open Find My Device. Now you'll have to install this Google Find My Device. You will be redirected automatically into the Google Play Store and simply open it. Now you will have to use the same Google account that you are using on your Google Pixel Watch free. So you can click here, you can add another account, or you can switch between multiple accounts if you're using them on your phone. Click to continue, and now you will have to input your password. Now when you did it, you can simply select your watch from the list, and right now you can play a sound. And also you can try to get directions, but as you can see in my case, the location of this watch is actually turned off. So I can try to turn it on, but it's not working. So if you actually remove location from your watch, then you will be not able to use this location. But let's say that you didn't actually turn it on, turn it off. The location is turned on your watch. So after few moments we will be able to use this location, and as you can see here, you can find the exact location where our device is. There we go. But if I'm gonna actually switch this off, there we go. Let's see if it works when the device is actually turned off. The sound probably is not gonna be turned on. Yeah, it's not playing sound when it's turned off, but we got the last seen location, so we can get directions into this place. And yeah, that will be all. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.